don't hear all the one NUFFY come about. After Cartel, there will be no more king. So DJ stop a Cartel. Eh? Cartel stop DJ. It stop at him. One teacher that prison youth still had the blood clot song. Same but teacher hold up him thing as a youth incarcerated, but him a put.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
You know, but this a part 2, you know, yeah man. The Trooper exposed cartel thing, you see me? But we are got away, master. You see me? Yeah man.
NUFFY come about. After Cartel there will be no more king. So DJ stop a Cartel. Yeah?
And that's the problem with them, you know. Some of them people, some of them Gaza people, them feel like say them own everything, them run everything. So wait there. So when Bean Man get the king, though people could have say, yo, there is no more king after that. So when Cartel get the king now, them a say, yo, there's going to be no more king. That's why I try to show you how the mentally, how them stay, them want control, them want do everything. Them want to stop everything a Cartel foot. Stop the genre of him foot. They want to say him do this, him do that. You understand? Because me I wonder if, because a lot of things are going around Cartel thing and people don't realize what going on, you know. Yeah man, them don't realize what going on. You see? Because they must say, yo, the man, yo, dance all this and dance all that, and I get it wrong. Because one man can't do it. A social media trick enough for these people, you know, because why? The same page him a post up, him show them what him do and everything, and him film fans them come out, or who love the music and not see him how long and want see him, that trick them to say, yo, dance all this. But no realize, say, when the show them start cut down now on certain little things, and everything gone back to normal. Him a release songs with international acts per album, nobody not talk about it. You think say shows alone can put genre, you need the music. Because if you don't have the music, nobody now go want to book you. If you don't have a little hot song or so, or one little hit song. You understand? Remember, you know, Cartel not perform for so much years. So when I do now, when if you do this long time, but him I get to do it now, start the social media world, a trick you know. I talk about yo, dance all this, bro. Dancehall did do it already. It's just because the industry bias. So them a put the thing on one man say, yo, nobody never did do it. You understand? Because them a use a absence of a man. Cartel a great artist, but them a use the absence from a man for your prison. Cartel wasn't doing it back then. Him wasn't doing it back then. So if him a do something now because of a disadvantage, you know say yo, or advantage where you know say alright. Him got prison 13 years and him go certain place how much years. And at that cause all the way I go on right now. You see if Cartel did I do this back then, you could understand. You know say alright, Ray. But all of the absence, I eat now. I make everything happen right now. He not just start at me man just start sell out place. Like Cartel never did road for 13 years, him did they lock up. So una use something we expected. And I put it so, yo, dancehall, want to when Cartel show them kind of and slow down. I'm not going to show forever like this. What going to happen after? That a chicken in and a show no bias now. And we don't want to put the genre around, put a man for head something, bro. Cartel about soon 50, brother. No can use him. You think him have a long time in the game? The man a release music and nobody now pay it no mind again. Yeah, him have a catalog, but we now make it go on like say, yo, what, him a go carry genre in the next 50 years. And not realize right now, he even not mash up himself. You understand? Last time I see him in a wheelchair. You understand? I don't know if I stunt or what, but we're not going to realize what going on.
Cartel stop DJ up, stop at him. One teacher that prison, you still have the blood clot song. Say, but teacher hold up him thing as a youth, incarcerated, but him put out it and still keep himself correct. And we have to live for that to that and show him respect for that.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, but you know me not understand. You not go on like say, Cartel is this man where nobody don't know him. Enough man go prison, right? And you have to understand, say, bro, Cartel have the links for do what him do from prison, brother. Remember, say, look here. A Badness usually do the thing back then. DJs and the man have the links for do that. Him have the DJs. Enough artists could have their prison. Enough artists go prison already. I ain't not hear no song for them like that. You know why? Them now have the links like we Cartel have. If them say, yo, DJ play that, them now must play that. Because them man, the links of Cartel are not normal links. I don't know that already. I don't know the badness in it. And that's why when him there prison, if him put out 50 song, the 50 song have to play. Else some man get this. And I know that too already. And the ratings and the links them have in the street, that's why it rinse so. You understand? Enough artists do song and their song, but what? If man them not have the links. DJ say, oh, this a man, I'm not play that song there no. Them not gonna say that to Cartel song, brother. You see me? Because the industry don't have him as a puppet already. When him there prison people, them force the youth them to do collab with him. All of them look at something that the producer them, you know the Jamaican producer them stay already. You see it? Them make sure it's alright. If them push an artist a song, man, give him a collab with Cartel or whatever. That's how we do. You understand? They make every artist come and say, guys, that give man more energy. You understand? That's the problem.
We can never give up because January in Bumbo Clad Band. See? So we're not chat about. Teacher, you're the real boss. You're dumb at the boy tell you, you're the real boss. Real boss title bigger than any king title. Real boss on your teacher.
Brother, world boss nah nothing. Him could have called himself world boss, him not get no award no achieve. That is nothing to dancehall, brother. You understand? That is nothing to dancehall. So when you talk about world boss and you man get the king of dancehall, brother. I uno say the man do it from prison and all of them look at something there. You see me? Although him not have the full accolades to be him and have, uno say alright, him for do it. You see me? Can make enough of them little artists a forward make way. So oh now, when the man get the king thing now, uno say yo. Him not forget that, you know. Yo, him forget world boss. World boss is nothing. Cause they go out there in the world and some place and some little white people and certain little thing, brother. Them now meds him. Him is nobody. When I go and say everywhere in the world Cartel go. Him a somebody. And that's the thing work, brother.
But they want like it and we got the real youth them with the run from long blood clot time, yeah? And we love you from them time that you know. See? And we know all I struggle, we know all I hungry, we know all I hungry, we know all I shot.
But this a man a come like him a ball for their own Cartel, you know. Yeah man, him a ball for their own Cartel, man. It's like I say, yo, me there around here, this, that, and thing. Me I tell you, say enough, man, why not? Yo, Jano.
Fire, we know all like disrespect for blood clot one. We know all of that.
So that me I try to tell the people. So me I tell you, disrespect, you know, when I talk, the bag of DJ beating and certain little thing where they go on in the street, so Cartel music could have play. Remember, you know, you couldn't go in on a party and play the Cartel, no? Just know, say, a man, I walk behind you and page you wicked, you know. And them thing that they go on in the music, you know. And them a go like say, yo, are they just music manager and rare? Man, they don't get DJ, they get beat up. And them little thing there. So it's like people forgot where they go on, brother. You understand? Because one time a badness cartel that use on the thing. You don't know that already. You see it? Same like how you talk now.
Say that none of them not tell us, yo, love that because you're bigger than that. One of us a boom and a kick away man big title, kick away world boss. And
brother, world boss is no title, brother. That's a niche fans, bro. World boss and a title, brother. What world boss have to do with dancehall? The only thing is dancehall, you can see a king of dancehall, brother. See like we have king of Africa, that world boss. Bro, when you say world boss, you run the world. World boss is no title, it's just a thing where him knows alright, him fans call him and certain thing. I don't know nothing that, brother.
Talk about blood clot king. Yeah? World boss, world mean the whole world, universe of a blood clot king. See? Go and look king will run this country and run that country. That's why I drop the man blood clot king. That's why when Chin come and say the man king bigger than that. See? The man need a different title with bigger than that. And nothing come chat off him out and this all about Chin and nothing to Rasta.
When I say Cartel are the world boss, Zine, boys like, we can't say alright. We can't say Drake dominate the world. Based on when him drop him song them and music. Cartel drop music. No, world boss is supposed to get some views and some people with the song them. But bro, you know see nobody are real for the song them or nothing. If him a world boss, he should have run the world music a little. Have some song out there. Right now, I be a collab and thing him there on man album and all of them little thing there, brother. You see it, but as me say, him will call himself the world boss of him niche fans and everything that. Nothing wrong with that, brother. You see me?
Yo, no fear, Alice, you're done, so you're not going to school. You're a yes man, pussy, or a yes man. I don't complain about, but if me know cartel from long, me have no cartel from long time. I want cartel it broke and blood clot. Alice cartel a little boy when him know you. See? When the time come for cartel, for stand up and fight for cartel, and we stand up and fight for blood clot cartel, me.
Yo, man, I tell them, I can't believe so them man come out and a fight for a man space, a man career, like, bro. Yo, man, tell it to rotted. Why we can't see some woman come out? Why woman they come out and talk and I be a man a fight over one man career to rotted. I said them fi involved and with them usually fight over. Bro, now sound like some woman, brother. Me I tell you, it's like now sound like some woman where they own a man when them poor and true them get rich now, them get different woman. It's like, oh no bro, like for soon now come out and attack. Yo, general brother, look at we people, may I tell you.
So up and fight for cartel. Because no man, no selector, no radio boy. No selector, no radio boy touch cartel thing. Every man afraid of liars and no man want offend killer. And then,
you see it people, so you see what cartel da for do? Couple DJ da for bad up the thing. You have to bad up the thing for couple DJ playing song after the little alliance thing. You see me, you have to bad up the thing and say, yo, Ray, if his theme song them start play. Cause enough people remember the history, you know. But him attack something I'm there on the thing.
Killer say, take a side trooper. And I say, me now got this cartel through your cartel. Do me now, killer top chat to me again. The friendship mash up this again. I'm a fight with killer.
But you know, see, say cartel and killer good and know and everything. It shows that yo, dancehall are just some hypocrite thing. I tell you, it's like them expect nobody enough to remember what go on. Back then, you see it and everything for just go good.
See? That advice go on already, that's all blood clot guys are in the one time and skill and active. Tell life I'm your cartel, look I'm a trooper. Yeah, I'm a selector, I don't trooper. Ray blade, I'm a teacher and listen body man, a general my band.
Let me tell you what, people, look like, yeah, him usually their own cartel and different thing, but look at now. You see in a life, when they on your face, cartel good as all they are prison, and them see a man and no call him, none at all, nah check up on him, nah give him no strength, nothing. See in base pan, so cartel come out now and I deal with the people them who really did that link him and thing. And who him for use and things. So maybe through cartel no link him now. In him in a feel feelings because a pop can't link him and never caught straight from cartel and that are the problem.
See, I'm a fight with blood clot struggle. See? The cartel find out say if one of the biggest enemy to bomb buckler, that a lynch map. Say Mikey Pelt and find out say me know it while I lynch them. He must say the trooper they know you know which man in a lynch map and yes a guys I'm a teacher. I hear something there, a loyalty man deal with you with dead. See?
You see it? Lynch map. Brother, may I tell you, say, yo, them time, the badness with the Gaza thing never normal, you know. Yeah, man, the badness never normal with the Gaza thing. I tell people, you know. It's like them forgot, you know. Say, I know music alone cartel used to take over the dancehall, bro. Badness was there. You see it? And see him come expose everything. It's like people forgot. May I tell you?
How much of them do that? Them all day night, them man fight no blood clot struggle. Eh? Them fight no struggle out there. One man fight struggle, one other one blood clot kill me. Eh?
You see what me I try to talk about people? You see it? Yo, you see it? Remember, you know, the badness. When the man play him song one other, and this man over here, so. Remember, say them say this man link with this man, you know. See? One done if I know me a tesh. You see me? You don't know the trips. So, and them two gang never good, so it shows you the badness was there. This man say nearly lose him life. Him feel back and forth with them man, I can look at him, I play cartel song, and them man are enemy. It's like people have forgot what going. How come this man is so powerful in a dancehall today? And the badness in the street and all of them look something there is like when I forgot. And never musically alone. And that him have over majority of the artists them. The control of the links and badness and them something there. That are the problem.
You find no struggle for this. When you find no blood clash, I'm out there fight at night time for this. Remember when dance, me do a boy small lad, me a play beer Gaza song and foot a hype, I play beer bumbo clad, gully. See? When the biggest war we go on one dance at Westmoreland, and the same dance when they done them broke foot a blood clot and see?
You see what I'm trying to tell you? You see, gully and the Gaza war. So through the gully thing, you know, I would have had some son you look assume allergy like some Gaza man broke him or maybe like something like so. I don't know but it sound like I have to be the enemy or something, do that. You see me? But it shows say yo be a badness and one bag of thing usually go on night dance hall and no music alone. Some man have to do some badness to make them song play and I say thing go but I don't like when people forgot what did I go on back then.
Don't know. And me foot and blood clot and I see a man in there, enough of them man get mashed up, a flugger get mashed up. A Gaza versus Gully that dance a blood clot name. See? And enough time your foot back up in the street and machine out and be sitting. So me I say, I don't know them blood clotting, I don't know them something.
That's why when Foota talk about the mavado thing and he kind of grieve more. It's like how him grieve Foota to the mavado thing cause them in the street a fight for them buckle while them there yard that sit down and easy with them girl. You see it?
I don't know about this. I don't even want to go man, I don't know stop now man. It's controversy about blood clot king. The man think big and king. Says flame away blood clot crown with them. Flame away crown with blood clot. But don't sound them give.
Yeah man, cause when you see a conflict, imagine your business partner end up give the crowd and thing and but if you not give him the king, I don't know what happen after that, you see me?
Big white bumbo clot, you don't need that, you're bigger than that. You're not ready for that, you think bigger than that. See, don't this me thing you know cartel, don't this me thing you know. I'm a fight for you, you know. See, I'm fight and put you up there, you know. And the esteem when me argue on the ice when me argue as. Man argue as a blood clot king, you're the real boss. Now only back a thing and go down like skeng. Make me keep him think. And that's what the thing say, make me keep him think something. See when I call them called Bounty Killer, blood clot. Call him the God, wrong God. See, you can't get no more title. You're real boss, you're real big and bumbo clot them things.
Brother, world boss, I don't know no title where stamp, brother. I know. Yo, I'm not understanding, bro. But you not talk, man. I understand, so you not feel it still.
They want to know. And that's something that me I say. So I don't know go away. And Joshy, but so that this all little Joshy. See, how they expect Joshy to come blood clot? See, the masicka call out Joshy. See, Joshy, I go give masicka in praise because I saw the thing go. See, so me I say, but I'm glad that Joshy did do that, you know, because Joshy goes a boom and what a hype back, what a hype Joshy.
Yeah, man, Joshy get him hype, but he make things worse for him. Yeah, man, it make things worse, because right now, some people are preem right now. I mean, know say maybe some blockage, some DJ maybe now go play music and certain thing, although them come out and apologize. You see it?
People call your blood clot name again, even if a song do it, Joshy. They might call your name again, Joshy. See? They might call your name, Joshy. See? Because music a controversy. Music a blood clot controversy.
Yes, and that cartel use and do the thing. You see it? He never do it fully musically. If I know DJ get this, if I know artist get take away equipment, if I know DJ get beat up, if I know bleaching thing, if I know this and that, yeah, that do the thing. That away KARTEL cartel thing, the bleaching, when him start bleach, at them time the people start seeing the real way.
So Joshy, people are gonna remember you from some fest saying you're one of the smartest artists. Say, and what you say? Clown this, that, Ray and blah blah and this and get out and that show. I mean I say them thing that too. Say, because me go for play a hype me a blood clot go for. Say, teacher want to you. Say, you can cut the friendship cartel from today and you can run it.
Yo, I can't say big man in I'm feeling just because true cartel no link him to artist. Come on, man. Come on, brother dog. Like, yeah, man, a ball, no true cartel no link him, you know. Bro, now big man, bro, need to move on from certain things.
You hate me too. But I tell you the truth. You think big and bumbo clot thing, she rip it up and tell you that. Who stand up and fight for you. See? Can't remember say when me kill blood clot base of this them, you know. See? Oh, 6, you know. Remember say base of this them, say them not play no more cartel, you know. They not play no more cartel for around 2-3 years, you know.
People no hear what go on. No hear what go on. Yeah, man, so certain things that go on in a dancehall, you know, is like people forgot. Through social media powerful, you know, and some certain little things that bring up back, but it never normal back then. You see me? DJ tune bag a DJ now get beat up like one time, my arts I get back up on stage.
They're not playing no more cartel for around 2-3 years, you know. See? You forgot? Boy, you wear a vlog. I don't mash up music.
Brother, let me tell you this. Uno are the problem. Uno say a vlogger. So wait there. So you don't talk all the way you talk with Foot and War and one other man want to do you something and all of them look or something. Was social media back then? 12, 20 years ago, there was social media? I that more know. Can I blame vloggers for full no mistake? If Uno no put out nothing, no video, nothing, vlogger no have nothing for run with. So Uno put out things with full no words. See? And the vlogger them just a clip it. Cause if you don't say nothing bad, the vlogger them now nothing for clip. Say you say bad, brother. You always a come out and say the thing them. And then when the vlogger them post it and do them for do, you feel away. Then don't come out and say nothing then if you know want the vlogger them put you out. So how vlogger fi mash up music? A vlogger make artists them a war? I have malice with each other? I that more know. No music did a mash up back them DJ get beat up, artists get beat on stage. Was vlogger? No vlogger never did them time the brother. So you say vlogger mash up in music. Vlogger more promote to the artists them thing. I that me I tell if there was no vlogger, enough of them those people who know people song and all of them something and know what go on, bro. You understand? Uno mash up the music, Uno. Because you know war for this a man, war for this, you know want play this a song, and if you no play this a song, you know send 2 man to beat up this a man for place. Uno mash it up, I know the vlogger them. The vlogger them on the internet, you know see them, you know do nothing. That are no problem.
Uno set a pussy. Uno set a pussy with a vlog. Uno mash up music. Uno stop and come down. Uno depend. Yo, and this and that and uno go suck uno my wall and uno go look work. See?
Brother, but you forgot look work. You forgot look work cause you depend on social media cause you get emotionally over a man career. You depend on corner. The vlogger them a work, brother. You know much millions vlogger right now vlogger make way more money where you make a month. Vlogger make triple time that, so you can stay there.
Uno go look work, uno cause all of them division and blood clot music.
Brother, division a go on before vlogger, brother. Division a go on before. So when Bounty and Cartel in a things, who mash them up? All of the artists them from islands to fall out. I vlog them cause that? Or I feed them world? Me not understand.
No, so go ahead. Because the biggest thing right now going on music, enough of the artists them are blood clot coward. See? Enough of the artists them are coward. Them not clash amongst one another. See them like the sound system them with a blood clot Jamaica. Them not clash a be a coward.
Yes, them not clash, yes, because them know so them not worthy. Them know them not want to lose the clash and make them thing look lily. That's why them not clash. Them a say, yo, me not give this artist no strength. I have the other one them already. Yes, because them no want to take the harder route. They want to take the easier route for no answer. You understand? Yeah. Because remember when I don't run out on Cartel, Cartel never answer. You understand? Because them time them have him like a Gaza thing and certain things. Cartel only go after the week. Bounty and mavado. Him only put him potential awareness in a them man they because him know him there on them man they and know them man they. Him now go war with some man where they don't really know. You understand?
Say, that you would not do this money. Cartel never have the money when I fight with him. See, now me have the money run Cartel as I youth them time there. Me have the money. Ask him. Ask Popcorn. See? Ask blood clot millionaire with incarcerated. See? And all I man them know. Ask facts on them youth there.
Look like a be a bad man him a call out, you know.
Ask Gary blood clot Exodus. Ask better than them blood clot youth there. It's what the day when I lose my visa. When I take on my 2 blood clot visa. Aside the Cartel me stand up. Brother, they see me out with them say, Cartel, them talk about Cartel kill blood clot people. And I hear them stand up in a bit.
People, you know that brother talk something, you know. You hear what man I say? Yo, John know that. So them man, they run the badness and certain little things and I expect that things are going to reach them.
I teach her. I want to get the call. When I get the call, and then doing God call me from down a glean and say, Chopper, now somebody tell you that you want to sit down and you want to stand up. But I'm a good man. And he say, you know, I'm going to take your 2 visa, and I'm going to take a killer visa, and Beanie Man visa, aidonia visa, mavado visa.
People, you listen, yo, want to listen this, you know. You see the name they were them just call a while ago? You realize, say, them visa they get take away. The same time, same like oh, everybody get back them visa now. You don't realize what going. Them time they, all of the artists, and when you see I do the arenas them, the whole of them visa get take away the same time. So them get it back the same time now. So that's why you see this huge summer say, yo, they must say dancehall and everything because everybody get back the visa same time. The system work it out that way there. People now realize. So that's why they must say, yo, dancehall active now and realize, say, bro, just because them get back the visa at the same time. So everybody do the same shows them in the same era them. You see it? But listen what I must say.
See? And I can't look for me and say, Chopper, one. Say, teacher, I know, say, them, just say them, tell me, say, doing God, I take on my visa them. Give it to your drink and teacher, go so boom, and take one the guineas out of me hand with me a drink, and fling it on the wall and broke the buckle. See, and reach and you want to pull it and say, well, this Chopper, in a Gaza, you say, you know, expect it to come.
You see it? You see it? No, more to listen, you know, people. You saw them money and mash up them life, go around some energy because of a man. So you tell a man, say, you a visa thing and the man say, yo, you know, say a Gaza thing at their own, so you know, expect. So you sure say, bro, the man not care about your thing, brother. The man not care about your career, bro. The energy where they around the man, the people them a watch him, plus who they around him and who link with him. Because them time they might do some shaggy. You understand? The energy where they around him, and that was a problem. That's why you lose your visa, brother. You understand?
You expect it to come. See? So someone come blood clot about saying I ask about some different sitting and I ask about a man around one certain place. It's not a man ask about a YouTube or blood clot now. And they ask me affiliation to Cartel. And then
this is what I try to tell you. It's like people forgot what did I go on back then, you know. People that forgot where I go on back then. The system that watch the man. You know, hear everything where I go on. The force where the man a build. Everybody where they run him and get clamped down, visa take away and everything.
Then I ask for bomb clot about I mean I see away. See? No, I can't tell from blood clot. Like a vlogger blood clot boy, and if a government I wanna mash up music man. Nobody. Now tell them vlogger boy I say them because sit down, you know.
Brother, stop blame the vloggers them, brother. Stop blame the vloggers them. Uno in the problem. So wait, see him like how the people who take on a visa. You think a vlogger do that? But then vlogger thing just like start get current now, brother. Vlogger never did the last 20 years done now war and with sound and man get beat up and all of them things. They are never vlogger, brother. A physical world that. So now blame vlogger for what Uno do. It don't make no sense.
Nobody not tell them, you know. I won't allow no go so woman, but you no love so no love blood clot passa. As them say something, they won't allow no log on, I don't take peace and run God. Because NUFFY never take the life, you know, chop it up, you know.
You know who's do something like this same with them name? Something they do something like this, you know, people. Ragging King. Them come out and make statement, you know, and I expect that the vlogger them and put it out for people see. You understand? them now realize what I go and say, who know the problem, bro? Who now come out and make statement? What the flag of them for do?
I'm fixing like oh no I fix it, you know. I say what I want to say, you know. But me have the truth and people can view this kind of what did they say? When they can splice up and you know. But you know my thing man but
Brother, if it's splicing a go on, or with your words, what you say, brother? Your words. Are you same words that make you look bad and you don't even realize?
truth for blood clot Gaza. You jump into cartel and moving up. No, I don't want to let them not shut the cartel, bro. Talk to cartel come on prison. Popcorn, call me.
People, me I show you why I'm all up in my feelings in the area.
The teacher want to talk to your trooper. See? More than once till me go some boom and popcorn link me. I'm your teacher talk and teacher say trooper wagwan. Me say me diamond. He say oh me not see you. Me say you just come from captive bro. Go and be with your family and do your thing man. The time we come me link you. See? 3 way the man call me now. So automatically me get cartel now.
And that in a people him feel a way say him get call and a 3-way call. Because you know why? Him the one cartel call him. He never want no other man call him to get to cartel to make film thing feel lily.
But it's so I mean no story. Me no store the man blood clotting. Me no store cartel number. Say Pop call me killing so if cartel want call me him for call me. Me never take up the number we get from Popcorn and call cartel because I'm a general. I'm a Ricky Trooper. Say me no blood clot me have my pride up to today. And me can't bear my hungry. See? I know your man you call no share the blood clotting. I mean not fly like some boy, I mean not tour like them. I mean no blood clot hungry, so what me fi do? Go so
People, I just say things set yeah man, but them man yeah, one bag of nonsense and certain thing, but people don't listen to what I'm saying, but yo, them man yeah, say you're not a big man but not act like a child, but people don't know, you know, yeah man, don't know one media fox man, that is it.